671 Monsignor. We're getting ready to lay the carpet down. We're gonna scrape all of this stuff out of here. Put the new carpet and padding down for Monsignor. The painting has been done. The ceiling has been fixed back here in the back. Looks really nice. Ceiling has been taken care of. Just where the mold was down here has been taken care of. So we're getting ready to lay the floor down and get it all fixed up, the final touches of it. 671 Monsignor signing off.